Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Here at the factory, we take potatoes very seriously. To ensure every slice is perfectly uniform, our automated slicers use advanced sensors to adjust the blade speed and angle.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect crispness. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are made. Use onion snake or punch from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.